What's up, guys? I need your help with something real quick. For the past year or so, I've been sending out a monthly newsletter through Squarespace. It's usually updates or photography tips or contests and that kind of stuff. Normally, about 50% of the people open those emails, which is actually really good, believe it or not. But something strange has been happening since December. My open rate suddenly dropped to below 20%, even though the email list is actually growing. And that doesn't really make much sense to me. Squarespace is looking into it. They think the emails are going to spam or something like that. But there's a possibility that those emails may not be reaching people. So I want to run a quick experiment. When this video goes live, I'm going to send out a very simple email to that newsletter list. The subject line will be something like help or test, maybe one of those two, I'm not sure yet. If you've subscribed to that newsletter, could you do me a favor? Could you take a look real quick in your inbox or your spam folder, or if you're using Gmail, maybe your promotions tab. That was 3, not 2, but whatever. Please check or search for emails from this address. Yes, I know. I'll pin it to the top comment so it's easier to find. And let me know in the comments if you received it. Just say something like, yes, got it in my inbox, or found it in spam, or even better, if you say, I did not receive anything. Now, I don't want you to say that. I just want to know if you did not receive anything. That would help me figure out what's going on. And if you're a content creator using Squarespace email campaigns, I'd really be curious if you noticed anything similar, a big drop in open rates over the last few months. Let me know in the comments as well, please. The other reason I'm asking is because sending these emails is not free. It costs a fair amount of money each month to send these out. And if people aren't receiving them or aren't interested in receiving them, then that makes no sense to keep sending them. And just to be clear, if you're on the list and you're not really interested in newsletters, that's totally fine. Yeah, every email has an easy unsubscribe button at the bottom or at the top. It's super easy, and I promise you, I won't take it personally. I'd much rather send emails to people who actually want to read them. And with that said, if you're not currently on the newsletter list, but you like to be, signing up is super easy. Just go to my website, wollertzphotography.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and you can sign up right there. You can take advantage and download the 20 monthly ideas for stock photography, that list thing that I made. I'm usually sending out updates or new upcoming videos or projects that I'm working on. Occasionally some behind the scenes stuff or maybe some photography tips. Nothing crazy. Once or twice a month I'll send something out. But anyway, thank you so much for helping me with this test. Go ahead and check your inbox now. That email should have been out at the same time this video went out. Check your inbox, check your spam, and let me know if you found anything, especially if you didn't find anything. I really do appreciate it.